Hey, you two, welcome back. So last time I did the unbox for the Honda Pilot. This is the fog light. And unfortunately, one of it keep on turning, doesn't lock. So this one locks into its place for the light bulb. So this is the one that keep on turning. I guess when doing the shipment, one of the plastic broke up or something, so it didn't lock the bulb into a certain position. It just keep on rotating. So the seller sent me another set. Hopefully this one is not damaged. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. So yeah, if you purchase anything from Amazon or eBay or Shopify or whatever, make sure if there's any problem or issue, you file a complaint to the seller. Either they're gonna send you a new set or they're just gonna give you the refund. This is the hardware or the screw. This is real glass. So it's good that they come with the bulb. So yeah, I haven't tested out the bulb, so I'm not sure if it's brighter than the original one or not. Probably use the original one. The original one lasts longer. I just keep this bulb as a replacement. Alright, so both of them are good. Cool. So now I got the extra set as a backup in case my wife break and I'll run into rocks. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please stay tuned for the installation of the fog light lenses. I'm going to replace both of them, because if I replace one is the original one and the other one's aftermarket, it's not gonna match correctly. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.